To save just a portion of your edited sequence, string out, or sync pull, follow these steps. The reason for a proportional save is for use in subsequences or templates to isolate regional ranges of specific tracks or templates. With an edited sequence, string out, or sync pull, you can mark a range of your timeline with an in or out mark. Drag and drop from the image from the edit monitor to a files window or directly into a folder. Notice the name of the edit includes the words selection at the tail of the name. This occurs because the saved edit only contains the content from your preset mark in to mark out point. You can also save edited sequences, string outs, and sync pulls to include specific tracks. Use the track selector to enable or disable the tracks you want to include. In this example, I'll only save video 1 and audio 1 and not include the audio 2 track. Drag and drop from the edit monitor to the files window or directly into a folder. Notice that the name of the edit exists, followed by selected tracks. You can combine edit range saves with selected tracks, and the words selection and selected tracks will be noted on this type of save. You can rename if desired to a better name that works for you.